Hey guys, this is Vishnu Mohan. I'm 30 years old. Basically, I'm from Kerala but born and brought up in Ranchi.
This is Ritika Agarwal. I'm 29 years old and I'm from Ranchi.
We basically met in 2010 when we both were doing our graduation from the same institute. At that time, I was very lean and she was a little on the heavier side. When I went to the gym for the first time after my 12th standard, I still remember that day that the coach asked me to do push-ups and I was not able to do even a single push-up. Protein is not a staple in your day-to-day lifestyle. So I was working out hard, but still I was not seeing any results. I was still skinny.
So for me, my lifestyle was very inactive and very unhealthy. As you guys know, Marwari family, how a Marwari family is, food is the main priority. When I was in the college, I used to eat whatever I used to get in the canteen. We waited for that Friday night parties and dinners and everything, and that started taking a toll on my health. Like I had migraine issues, I had very low energy levels, and basically I was not at all active also. Obviously I was following some fad diets which was available on internet, and I was into cardio. Like I joined those Zumba classes, aerobics classes, and if I went to the gym, it was mostly cardio.
There is a beautiful story behind how I discovered Fitter. There is one men's health magazine that I've purchased in my entire life. I saw JC's picture and some news about fitness, some fitness startup company which was getting hold of a lot of attention, and that's when I explored this Fitter Facebook Squats group on Facebook, and I got to know about this beautiful group, and I explored that how quantified nutrition is helping a lot of people. So I then decided to even take part in the Transformation Challenge 2.0, and one good thing that happened is that I transformed myself and I got into a shape which I always dreamt of. See, I always admired people who had a very good shape, these fitness models and all. I used to think that this is not possible naturally, but all my myths were broken with my first transformation. I got into a pretty good shape.
Then after Vishnu discovered Fitter, he also told me about it, and then I saw positive changes in his body. That also inspired me to follow a quantified nutrition. I also started lifting weights. I started going to the gym along with him. So initially when I started my transformation, initial 4-5 months I lost somewhere around 10 kgs, and obviously more than weight, it was the visible changes that I was amazed by. I felt very confident because when you're fit inside, you're fit outside. Also medically, like my migraine issues were getting better, my energy levels were getting better.
By December 2019, I was in such a shape wherein I was able to compete in an international stage called ICN, where I bagged 2 second places in men's physique and model category. Fitness not only makes you physically strong, but it makes you mentally strong also.
I have been with Fitter for 3.5 years and I have handled close to 1,000 clients, and it's a really great feeling when your clients send you those small messages saying they have improved or their health or they have transformed. Those messages makes my day, and that was not possible in my previous job.
So I never had this dream of getting into fitness, creating a career out of fitness, because I never knew that we have such an opportunity in India.
Fitness has helped us physically and mentally, but what I believe is it has also helped us in financially growing.
Now I'm at a very better position, even work-wise. If you ask me, I work in a field which I'm passionate about, and even fitness-wise, I'm at a state where I never thought that like back in 2014 that I could achieve this. So guys, whatever your dream is, do not fear to chase it. Put in every day's effort. Like you need to hustle each and every day, whatever your goal is, whether it be your fitness goals or career goals, whatever it is, keep hustling. Like 4 years back, we never thought that we'll have such a career in fitness, but here we are in front of you, achieving both our fitness goals and career goals. So keep hustling and keep grinding.
Yeah. Stay strong, stay fit. Bye bye.